Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be reviewing Blaze by Estetica and CHROMERT1B. I'm really excited about this. Blaze is not a new style to Estetica, and neither is CHROMERT1B. However, CHROMERT1B was just added to Blaze and to Winter. So if you like Winter, it is now available in CHROMERT1B. I've never had Blaze, and I thought, "Oh, this looks like something I'd like to have," and the pictures look beautiful, the stock photos. But then, Estetica does an amazing job with their stock photos. I purchased my Blaze in CHROMERT1B at Wig Studio One. If you don't like CHROMERT1B, it's certainly available in many other colors. And I will leave the link to Blaze at Wig Studio One listed down below for you. I'm really excited about having this. I don't know. Blaze weighs 5.64 ounces. That's telling me that permatease is what it's sounding like. And I know that not everyone loves these rooted colors. I get it. I love them. I always have. And if it weren't for the rooted colors, I would have tremendous difficulty with lighter colors. I would have to wear just brunettes. And the reason for it is that I don't know if this is just in my head or if it's really this, but I try to match the root of my wig to my brows. And if I don't have a root, I just feel that it just doesn't look right. So when I would have my hair dyed, I always had them do the low lights right around the roots. Anyway, that's just the way it is. Beautifully packaged, as are all Estetica. And for those of you that are new to my channel, the link to my website is listed down below in the description box, and that's where I sell my gently used wigs. In other words, wigs that I only wear for reviews. It is not a nice day in Central Florida. Not a nice day at all. We've had so much rain and wind, and hopefully it won't be raining when it's time for me to go outside. I just received Blaze yesterday. I think one of the reasons why I love this color so much, I have a few in this color. I have Mellow, I have a Sky in this color. I have another one that I can't remember right now. But anyway, CHROMERT1B, it's gray and white, and then we have 25% medium brown that is blended, and then we have the off black roots, and they added some of the lighter fibers around the front. I'm so excited to see that my Mellow, which is I think the first one that I purchased in this color, didn't have the lighter fibers, but this one does. Yay, Estetica, thank you for doing this. I love it. Look at that, how gorgeous. And this is easier for me to wear because except for the root, the rest of the color is very close to my own because my hair was originally off black. So to have this blend of the gray and white is very similar to my own with the medium brown and the darkness. Yeah, beautiful. And they've bought the color, the off black or the dark brown, the medium brown rather, right through the rest of the wig. So it's done beautifully. And it did come with a hairnet. So now what I'm going to do, look at those cascading curls. Cascading waves rather. They're not really curls. They're very loose waves. All right, I'm going to give this girl a shake. I'm going to remove the zigzag. So excited about putting it on that I was totally forgetting to show you the cap. All right, we have a lace front that goes temple to temple, and we have the left mono part that goes almost all the way to the crown. Open ear tabs with with stays, an extended nape, and hook type adjusters. And of course, just as are all Estetica, we have lots of stretch I have a 21.5-inch circumference. Estetica, I need to bring in the adjusters almost to the center in order to fit me, and I'm going to add a wig grip because otherwise I know it's just going to be too big. This is just the Milano wig grip because I'm waiting for, I always order from Wig Studio One. I ordered the bell tress and it hasn't arrived with my shipment. I hadn't noticed that I needed a new one. When I go out, I always apply a wig grip. Just as I thought, lots and lots and lots of hair here. Not really much permatease at all that I can feel. Definitely not a low density piece. If you prefer low density, you may want to consider something else. All right, let's talk about Blaze. Blaze has minimal permatease, where it's probably just to the right of the left mono part. There is a little bit, but it's minimal. However, when it comes to density, this is high density. There's lots of hair here. And I figured that when I saw the weight on it was 5.64 ounces. So we have almost 6 ounces of hair here. Who's this wig for? I think it's for someone that loves to have the lots of hair, but prefers minimal permatease. Other than that, I think it's beautiful. I don't know if this is something that I personally would wear like this. If I keep it, I would probably let go some fibers there. And put it up. That's how I would probably wear it, because it's beautiful. And if you like to do the half ups and half downs, and we'll do some in just a moment. Let me just show you Blaze on all sides, and then we'll take a look at the coverage and we'll take a look at the lace front. As you could see, we have a little bit of the fibers, the gray fibers along the hairline. It's not a lot, and it's blended with the off black or with the dark brown. So we don't have a band, but there's definitely some of the lighter fibers on the front. As you can see, it just matches perfectly with my hair. Here is the ear tab, and here is my hairline. So we have excellent coverage on Blaze. On this side, this is my lower hairline. Here's the ear tab, and here is my hairline. Could do a low ponytail. I'm sure you could do a high ponytail as well. See, I would wear it more like this. I really like it. I really like it to wear off the face, to wear it in a low ponytail, to bring it up. That's how I like it. If you're looking for a style and you just want it, if you've always wanted long hair and you're not comfortable wearing hair loose like this, maybe consider it in order to wear it in a ponytail or to wear it up in a bun, and that way you still have all the hair off your face, but you have some long hair, if you will, if that's something that you're looking for. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4, and my neck is 5 inches, and that way you can gauge kind of where Blaze is going to fall on you. We have a front of 12 inches, so well below my chin. We have a crown of 13 and a quarter. The sides are 12 and a quarter, and the nape is 15 and a half. It does appear to have, as you can see, some layering on it. I think that helps in order to give it this movement, in order to give these waves. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see Chrome RT1B on blaze out in the natural light because there's no sunlight today. And then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.